JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Robinhood wallet account in 2024. So to do this, you'll have to open up the Robinhood wallet in your app, and then here, let's set up your wallet. So here you can choose to import existing wallet, or you can back up from your iCloud or your cloud services. So let's create a new one right here. So you can use Face ID or a custom PIN. So here, I would allow my Face ID just to work it up. It's way better. So here I can back it up manually right here. So here we can choose our phrases. So here I'm gonna delete this account again. So you will have to choose your phrases very wisely. I mean, save it wisely, not choose wisely. So here we have our secret phrase. So I'm not supposed to show this to anyone actually, but I'm not gonna place assets here. If you want to place assets here, I'll be grateful. So you're all set. So maybe later, and then they're gonna check it out right here. So there you go. Now you have your wallet ready here in Robinhood. So you can connect this to your Robinhood account. In another video, I will show you how to do that. So you can send and receive and swap from here. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.